I feel that, you know. Yes, people, that Highway 2000, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Highway with the pan. That's what I say. Yeah. So, like this, you know. The gas station, this up, so. Same way. You see, if you go up on the highway, you can get your things tap up and strap up. Yes, my people, I train. I come here to come get some photograph of the train. You understand? But you know, say the train not there today, you know. The train supposed to be right to the container, yellow container there, at the blue building. But the train not there today. So, I come here in vain. Just delete off some content too. Yeah, I make space, say, that interview, yeah, you know, but I tell her, say, John no star. Yeah, I will come back next day. Because like a Sunday, I will come back down here. You understand? So, I leave this Sunday, because I go up on the road Sunday, go, I think do some fishing and things like that. So, yeah, man, so, I'll come back down here soon. Yeah, come do that interview there. I highway this, you know, the toll road lead back to Kingston, right across the island. Yeah, so that's over there right now. Them vehicles come up for the toll road. So, yeah, some of them people. Yeah, man. Right here, so with them. So, come down here, hoping to see train, but today was Friday. I think the train going to pick up schoolers. Going to pick up schoolers today. Yeah, because schoolers it normally carry. So, you know, it's like I come here wrong day, you know. So I say I go still. Yeah, man, so come back, come do it another time. So, I'm showing you how the highway stay. Right across the island, people. Nice road, you know. So all who never see the highway before the toll road, like this. Yeah, man, video it, you know. Showing you how it goes. Yeah, man. Road I go back to Bay. So there you go, people. I go head out of the place about right now. I go one place. So I go back to the night town. So I do some good things right now. That's how it's still. Yeah, man. Same way it's still. Yes, my people. Royal Ural, I'm there again. Yeah, man. The train I come down here to come interview, come take some photograph and see if I can see two people to talk to and talk it, you know. But today, a school day, Friday today, you know, so the train out today. So, yeah, I guess it's in Spanish Town or so at the moment. So basically, I'll come back down here another time. Yeah, like Sunday and things like that. And get to take some photograph. Sorry, I never see it today. God. So Sunday, I'll come back down here. So I say I go still. Yeah, so, hit this, my people. Yeah, man, so Highway 2000. Yeah. Yeah, man, Royal Ural.